Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain the complete physical design flow in VLSI, step by step from netlist to GDS. If you are planning for interviews or starting your career in physical design, this explanation will give complete clarity about the physical design. A physical design is a backend VLSI process where input is a synthesizer gate level netlist and it is converted into silicon layout. The flow begins after the synthesis. When we receive the netlist, SDC, standard cell libraries, and technology files, the first major step is floor planning, where the floor planning defines the core area, placing the such macros and IP blocks and IOs and power structure and all the things. A good floor plan is critical because it directly affects the congestion, timing, and power distribution. And next comes to the power planning, where the power rings, traps, and meshes are created to ensure the stable voltage across the chip and to avoid IR drop and electromigration issues. After floor plan and a power plan, next we will go for placement. After the placement is performed, where the standard cells are arranged automatically to minimize the main goal of placement is to minimize the wire length and improve the timing while reducing the congestion. The congestion should be less and delay should be less. Once the placement is completed, the clock tree synthesis is done to build the balanced clock network. The main goal of CTS is minimizes the skew and latency. Since clock is the backbone of synchronous circuits, CTS is very critical stage. For after CTS, routing will be done. Routing connects all the cells using multiple metal layers, ensures that there are no short circuits or opens connection, and that design rules are satisfied. After routing, timing closure and optimization performed to fix the setup and hold violations using techniques of like buffer insertion, cell resizing, or ECOs. Finally, once the timing is closed, we will go for physical verification and sign-off checks such as DRC, LVS, antenna checks, and IR and EM analysis. Once all checks are clean, the final GDS file is generated and that GDS is sent to fabrication. This entire flow focuses on the meeting timing, power, and area targets while ensuring the chip can be successfully manufactured. This is the overall physical design flow in brief. For more details, we will upload the video on YouTube. Please follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you.